A day in my life as someone who lives here in Davao independently. So kana di ay is day off nako. So na ako'y dental appointment, nagpa-adjust ko braces. For more than 2 years nga nag-braces ko, nag-improve gid akong ngipon. So kung gusto mo magpa-braces, na lang dira a Brighter Smiles Dental Clinic. So they have a lot of services to offer. So fast forward, nag-adto na lang pod kog H&M, nagpili-pili ko dito pero ang price gyud mahal kaayo. So nag-window shopping na lang pod ko. I ended up sa pen shop. So kana nag-unboxing nako.